There's a lot of traffic on Britain's roads. 35 million vehicles of all kinds travel almost 303 billion miles each year. That's a lot of miles. Our roads get heavy pounding each and every day, so it's no surprise that they need repairing all the time. Road maintenance is a huge job, and it's done by a lot of different people in a surprisingly diverse range of jobs. They all work hard to keep us moving, which keeps the whole economy turning over too. The most obvious sign that a road needs repairing is, of course, the humble pothole. Motorists hate them. That's not surprising because each year the damage they cause to cars comes to around £730 million. It's been estimated that there's around 295 square miles. That's 764 square kilometres of potholes on Britain's roads. Local authorities spend around £4 billion fixing potholes each year. Because there's a constant need for road maintenance, there are a lot of opportunities for all kinds of careers. But there are too many different careers to itemise them all in this film. But just consider who needs to get involved with just one pothole. First, you've got to have people to take calls from the public telling the council about the pothole. Potholes are being reported all the time. Someone's got to take the calls, log them, and pass on the information. Then you've got administrators in the council who arrange for surveyors to go out and check the potholes. The surveyors will look at a pothole, assess how bad it is, and work out what it'll take to fill it in. They also study where potholes are forming. They know the telltale signs of cracking in the road surface that shows where future potholes will appear. They pass all that information onto administrators, who enter it all into software that schedules the jobs and makes sure that all the right materials are ordered so the job can get done on time. That means people who work with computers in the IT department need to keep the software up to date, store all the data, make it available in an easy-to-use form, and keep the computers up and running so everything goes smoothly. Once the jobs have been scheduled, you need trained road operatives to go out and do them. So, the trainers make sure that each road worker knows what they're doing and can do it safely for themselves and other road users. They've got to have the right materials to do the job, so procurement specialists purchase at the right price and make sure they're available in the right place at the right time. And the road crews have to get to where they need to be, and that takes an efficient and well-maintained fleet of vehicles, all with right machinery and equipment. When the road crews are working, supervisors check they're doing the right thing in the right place. A safety team will have made sure that the work gets done safely and worked out how to control traffic around the operatives. You'd think that's the end of it, but it isn't. The marketing team not only gets the work in, they ask customers how happy they are with what's been done, they monitor quality and then advise on how to make things better. And of course, the jobs need to be paid for, so the accounts department do everything from estimates to invoices and taking the money in. That's a lot of different people. Road maintenance generates a lot of jobs, good jobs. But potholes are only one aspect of road maintenance. There are all kinds of different jobs that need to be filled in the installation and maintenance of CCTV equipment, safety barriers and bridges. This is a vital part of the economy. So roads and road maintenance are actually a brilliant source of careers in a surprising number of areas. And the great news is that the skills for these jobs are all transferable, which means that if you've already spent a lot of time training in another area, like plumbing for example, there are skills that you've already learned that you will be able to bring to a job in road maintenance, which means that you won't have wasted your time and that a new job in the road maintenance industry won't mean a completely new start. So, you'll never look at that pothole in the same way again. To find out more about the range of careers in the road maintenance industry, check out the job section on the HTMA website at htma.info or give us a call on this number. We really do want to hear from you.